Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the channel. Join me today on a short walk around tour of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, where we will be going to the Saigon Central Post Office, the Saigon Notre Dame Cathedral, and we will also see Book Street, which is nearby. We are in District 1 now, and this building here is a hotel. This hotel is a 5-minute walk from Nam Ki Hoi Nai bus stop. This traditional hotel is a 6-minute walk from the popular Ben Thanh Market and a 10-minute walk from both the historic Independence Palace and the 19th century Notre Dame Basilica. Popular amenities at the hotel are free breakfast, free Wi-Fi and free car parking, and the rooms are air conditioned. And the park that we are passing just here is Saigon Central Park. It is wheelchair accessible. There are picnic tables, a public toilet, and dogs are allowed in the park. It's a nice open space. There are lots of trees and picnic areas, and there are a few cafes there where you can buy drinks and snacks. And this is the Notre Dame Cathedral. Unfortunately, when we were there, the church was closed as there are modernisation works in progress at the moment. You can see the scaffolds there. So following the French conquests of Cochin, China and Saigon, the Roman Catholic Church established a community and religious services for French colonialists. On October the 7th, 1877, Bishop Isidore Colombert laid the first stone in an inaugural ceremony. The construction of the cathedral took 3 years. On Easter Day, the 11th April 1880, a blessing ceremony and ceremony of completion were solemnly organised in presence of the Governor of Coco in China, Charles Lemaire de Villers. And this is the Saigon Central Post Office, which is just across the road from the Notre Dame Cathedral in downtown Ho Chi Minh City. The building was constructed when Vietnam was part of French Indochina in the late 19th century. It counts with Gothic, Renaissance and French influences. It was constructed between 1886 and 1891, and is now a tourist attraction. It was designed by Alfred Foulaux, but is often erroneously credited as being the work of Gustave Eiffel, or a collaboration between Foulaux and Hanoi-based Auguste Henri Villedot. As translated by the historian Tim Doling, the journal Architecte Constructeur, Revue du Monde, Architectural et Artiste of 15th of September 1891, commented the new Saigon Post Office, which was held on July the 14th, had been postponed until the return of the Governor General. Inside the Saigon Central Post Office, of special note are 2 painted maps that were created just after the post office was built. The first one, located on the left side of the building, is a map of southern Vietnam and Cambodia titled Lignes télégraphiques du Sud Vietnam et Cambodge, 1892. The second map of Greater Saigon is titled Saigon et ses environs, 1892. This is Ho Chi Minh City Book Street. It's a peaceful street in the heart of the city. It's located in the central area of District 1 and is home to thousands of books of various genres from all over the world. It is also a venue for many cultural activities in the city. As one of the oldest streets in Ho Chi Minh City, this book street has been renamed many times. During the early French colonial period, it was called Hong Kong Street in 1897. It was renamed Cardiff Street in 1955. The name was changed to Nguyen Ho. In 2000, the street was named Nguyen Van Binh after a Catholic spiritual leader of the same name. The book street has always been a nice place for people of all ages to come to find books and hang out at the weekend. This is also the first book street complex in Vietnam with an open space. Everyone can experience and enjoy the reading culture at Ho Chi Minh City Book Street. Here, it will not be hard for you to find a good book of your favorite genre at reasonable prices. In addition, each store is designed in an eye-catching way, providing nice backgrounds for you to take photographs. Here you will be surprised by cafes that have giant bookshelves with thousands of books. A sip of coffee and a melodious song are all you need to delve into the world of books. We are just on our way back to our hotel now, and this short tour you can do it in half a day really, depending on how long you stay around the individual attractions. There's lots of places, restaurants, cafes where you can get something to eat and have a drink as well. And there you can see the Bitexco Tower, and you can always also go to the Vietnam Sky Scanner, which is on the 49th floor, and you get an aerial view of the whole city, including the Saigon River. And also worth a visit is the Ben Thanh Market just here. At the bustling heart of Ho Chi Minh City, the Ben Thanh Market is a must-visit destination for any traveller. This market boasts a rich blend of history, culture and commerce that can be discovered through its diverse array of stalls and shops. It's located in the central area of Ho Chi Minh City, and Ben Thanh Market is a must-see for anyone looking to experience the vibrant culture of Vietnam. It's more than just a place to shop. The market also offers opportunities for cultural and culinary exploration from early morning until late at night. The market brims with vendors selling fresh vegetables, meat, seafood and a variety of Vietnamese street food. Visitors can try many authentic dishes such as po, banh mi, spring rolls, or shop for traditional items such as ao dai, lacquer and silk. Thanks for joining me today on this short walking tour of Ho Chi Minh City, District 1. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please consider subscribing and hit the like button. Watch out for my other videos which will be coming out very soon. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.